Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Lamborghini wheels. First, gather your essential tools, including a torque wrench, a low-profile jack, and sturdy jack stands. Always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface for maximum safety. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you intend to remove. This initial step makes full removal much easier once the car is elevated. Now, carefully position your low-profile jack at the designated lift points, typically found near the sills. Slowly raise the vehicle until the wheel is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy rotation. Crucially, place sturdy jack stands under the car's frame at the recommended support points. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Safety is paramount. With the car safely supported, you can now fully remove the wheel fasteners. If your Lamborghini has traditional lug nuts, remove them completely. For models with a single center lock nut, use the specialized tool that came with your vehicle. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen and remove. Always keep track of all fasteners to prevent any loss or damage during the process. Once the fasteners are off, gently pull the wheel straight off the hub assembly. It might require a slight wiggle or a gentle tap from behind to free it. Take a moment to inspect both the wheel and the hub for any signs of debris, corrosion, or damage. Cleaning these surfaces before reinstallation ensures a proper fit and helps prevent future issues. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.